info, go to justchurchsocal.com. That's justchurchsocal.com.
That's why it's playing relatively so much AirPods again, so that the airplane was not safe and would not.
Deliver your stories without any annoying monthly subscription.
The people get.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
From the temptation of the devil.
Go to truckersfund.org, take the risk assessment located under the Health and Wellness tab, and sign up today.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System, originated by the Arizona Department of Public Safety. If this had been an actual emergency, important information or instructions would have followed the tones you just heard. This concludes this test.
At Ralph's, you can find the highest quality products at a great price in every aisle, every day with Kroger brand. So you can stock up on your household favorites that are tried, tested, and loved by you. Because when you get the products you love at great prices, it feels like winning. Shop.
San Diego has issued a required weekly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywar network of radio operators. The extreme southwestern California forecast discussion. Subtropical moisture will move northward across the area into Thursday morning.
The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for SGX, beginning at 8:06 p.m. and ending at 9:06 p.m. The Temple Police Department is attempting to locate 39-year-old Amanda Guerra and 7-year-old Chrisley Hernandez. They were last seen at 11 a.m. in the 3100 block of North 28th Street in Temple. If you have any information, please call the Temple Police Department at 254-298-5500.
This is a test of the West Central Michigan Emergency Alert System originating from the Oceana County Emergency Operations Center. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, a toxic chemical release, widespread electrical loss, or other state or local emergency that affects your safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.